to set up your online booking website, you just go to More, click on Settings, go to More Features, go to Online Booking, and then click on Go to My Website. Now, if it's the first time you're going to set up your website, you will be asked to set up a subdomain and choose which domain name you want. So there will be mysalononline.com, oursalononline.com, and two more. I chose this, and for example, this is my business name or the salon name that I'm going for. So this is a dashboard that you will be seeing. Now, I'll walk you through the account settings first. There are two ways. You can have a standalone website using this subdomain name, or integrate or embed the booking plugin into an existing website. You can also just connect your Facebook account if you have one, so customers can book from there. Now, what I'm going to do is go to Booking Preferences first. This is where you will be setting up your booking preferences, your booking settings. So for example, if you want to show your calendar, or this is just for requests only, if you want to approve appointment requests, you can turn this on. I actually turned it on for the demo I'm going to walk you through later. Now, employment appointment order, you can actually just use alphabetical or first available, whoever is available for that particular setting that or date that the customers would prefer. Appointment interval, for example, I'd like to have 30 minutes between each appointment. Time booked advance, I want like 2 days notice before an appointment. And the maximum booking time in advance for it, you go that way as well. Now, for client settings, you can actually just disable this one if you don't want them to have an account with your website, but I would suggest you turn this on. If you want to save their home address, you can actually turn this on as well. Now, for the notification messages, you can edit the messaging that you want it to appear. So just type in more filler messages if you want, and then if, for example, you want the stylist notified if somebody has booked them, you can turn this on. And then if they are allowed to approve notifications, or if they are allowed to approve booking appointments, you can click on yes as well. Okay, now if, for example, you want them to get notified, for example, if this particular person is your receptionist that handles all the booking calendars for the salon, you can actually CC that particular person here. Okay, so just make sure to save each changes for every section. Now let's go back to options. Click on the leave. Now let's go to service listing. The service listing is the available services that you want shown in your website. You can actually reorder this. You can actually opt not to include prices if you want. You can actually just manually turn off particular services that you don't want to offer for now. And it's automatically updated on the front end. Now, if you go to employee profiles, you can reorder this, or you can actually choose not to show people. So for example, just there, go back to options as well. So the pages and navigation, you have the option to have different pages to your site. For example, if you don't want to highlight employees, or if you have if you prefer to just have the book now options, you can just disable these particular pages. Just make sure that you save each change that you do. As you can see, these are different sections. Now let's go to website themes. I actually have set up a website, a trial website. So If you're going to use Daysmart Salon subdomain, you have the option to, how do you call this, set up a website of your own. The website themes that they have are a little under 15, like 12, 11 or 12, I think. It's a drag and drop feature, but it's not as intuitive as I would personally like. And I have tried a lot of website builders, but it's easy to set up. It's very simple. So this is the one that I did. So as you can see, these are the pages. If you want it to be highlighted or have separate pages, but at least your homepage will have everything here. Now, if for example, you want to click on add more content, a section shows up. You choose that one, for example, and make sure that you click on the check icon here to be able to show the content added here. Now you can choose text, image, info card, everything, as you can see. So it will retain the, how do you call this, the sections that you want, and then you can choose if you want an image, a video, or a map, for example, a map location for your account. So I'll just click on delete and click on save changes. As you can see, if you want to make it as simple as possible, you can actually finish setting up your booking website in less than around 2 hours if you want, as long as you have set up the services, your employees, and your business hours in your dashboard under Daysmart's platform. Setting up the website will be quicker. Now, I will show you how it looks like. Let me just log out here. Just copy and paste that particular website. This is the front-facing website that one will see. So for example, if I'm a customer, I want to book your service, I'll click on book now. And then, for example, I want it to be on a Friday and noon. I want, for example, women's blow dry. If I want to specify or like choose a specific stylist, I can, and then I'll just choose a time, for example. I already have created an account already, so this is the contact details. Click on continue and click on submit request. That's easy. Now, as an account, for example, this is my account, I also have the option to, if you can, as you can see, for example, if I have an upcoming appointment, I can update my contact information if I want to receive emails and text reminders and marketing emails, I can do that as well. So that's how a customer sees your website, and that's how they actually book an appointment with you. So I'll click on log out. I will now show you how it looks like to approve an appointment. So let's see what happens. So I log back in to Daysmart Salon. As you can see, there is a request. You have one new online appointment request. So I just click on that one. And I have the option to approve it. So I'll just accept it. Now, once it has been accepted, you'll be able to see the booking. Let me just show you there. It's as easy as that.